उत्तिष्ठ भारतः. Hello everyone. So guys, we are going to start now medieval Bihar. Yes, this is Bihar special series, Bihar special series for 17th BPSC. Yes guys, the very first point is the famous saint of Bihar, Sarfuddin Maneri, belonged to the Firdausi sect of Sufi. He was born in Maner in 1262 and died in 1377 AD in Bihar. Yes, guys. So, what is the name? Sarfuddin Maneri. The very important thing is he belonged to Firdausi sect of Sufi. So Firdausi is a sect of Sufi and he was born in Maner in 1262 AD while he died in 1377 AD in Bihar Sharif. He died in where? Bihar Sharif. He wrote a commentary on Suhrawadi. It is Suhrawadi, Arabic work Adab ul Muridin. So here Suhrawadi, yes, it is very important. Arabic word. It was Arabic word, and the word was Adabul Muridin. He is quoted in his famous work Maktuwad-e-Shadi. Maktuwad-e-Shadi. Okay, so he quoted here. The next is Muhammad Shah Nuhani. Muhammad Shah Nuhani, Afghan feudatory in Bihar during the period of Lodi rulers, founder of the first independent Afghan state in Bihar after the first battle of Panipat in 1526. The first battle of Panipat was fought between Babur and comment, which was the second person. So here the first battle of Panipat was fought between two persons. The first one is Babur and second person you have to comment in the pin box, which was in 1526. And after that the first independent Afghan state in Bihar was founded by Muhammad Shah Nuhani. Then it is Sher Shah, 1539 to 1545 AD. He was the ruler of Bihar, also ruler of India. Yes, Sher Shah Suri. Then it is Dawood Khan. It is Dawood Khan, the last ruler of the independent Afghan kingdom of Bihar and Bengal. Akbar defeated him in 1576 AD. So in 1576 AD, Akbar came to Bihar and he defeated Dawood Khan Luhani. Yes, Bihar was annexed to the Mughal Empire. Now here the Mughals has been came and captured Bihar. Guru Gobind Singh. He was 10th Guru of Sikh and born on 22nd December 1666 in present day of Patna Sahib. Started Panch Kakkar and Pahul, founder of the Khalsa Panth. So here 5K are the basic thing of Sikh Sampradaya. Yes. And also he started Khalsa Panth. Here 22nd December 1660 is birthday of the 10th Guru, Guru Gobind Singh. Now the next topic is martyrs of Bihar during the Indian freedom struggle. The first one is Abbas Ali. So Abbas Ali He fought against the British along with Kumar Singh in Bihar during the revolution of 1857. So, from Buxar, there was a man called Bir Kumar Singh. Yes, so with the Kumar Singh, he has been fought the fight against which British in the revolution of 1857. On 6 August 1857, the death sentence was ordered by the court martial. So he took as the court martial and there was a death sentence. Now the next one is Abdul Bari. Abdul Bari, born in 1892 AD in Kansua village of Shahabad, present Jahanabad district. So Shahabad comes under the Magadh Empire. Yes. His father's name was Muhammad Qurban Ali. Muhammad Qurban Ali. Muhammad Qurban Ali was the father of Abdul Bari. Abdul Bari received graduation and post-graduation from Patna University in the year of 1921 and was appointed as the spokesperson of Bihar National College, that is BN College. It is BN College. So he was the spokesperson. Actively involved in the non-cooperation movement under Dr. Rajendra Prasad and A.N. Sinha's leadership. So when the non-cooperation movement was going on in Bihar and led by Dr. Rajendra Prasad and A.N. Sinha, so at that time he was active participant in the non-cooperation movement of Bihar and he was elected as the post of deputy speaker in provincial government of Bihar in 1937 when the first CM of Bihar, it was Sri Krishna Singh. So at that time he was as appointed deputy speaker. To consider the problems of workers of Bihar and improve their working conditions, he was appointed as the vice chairman in the Bihar Labor Inquiry Committee. So as India in present time, yet in the present time, Bihar at a place of the lowest per capita income in India. Yes, it is poorest state in Bihar in India. So you may assign here what was the problems me at that time of Biharis. So he considered the problems of workers of Bihar and to improve the conditions of the peasant, he was appointed as the vice chairperson in Bihar Labor Inquiry Committee. Yes, the chairman of this committee was Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Yes, 1937 it was the Shram Vibhag Commission. So at that time, chairperson was Dr. Rajendra Prasad. I think one week ago I have updated my YouTube channel as who was the Shram Sansadhan Mantri of Bihar in 1937. So it was Dr. Rajendra Prasad. You may check out my community post. Yes, guys. Here agitated against the exploitation of workers in the Tata Iron Steel Company. So Tata Steel Iron Company is in Jharkhand. So you may notice this. During the Quit India movement 1942, he was arrested by British and kept in Hazaribagh jail. So he was kept in Hazaribagh jail in Jharkhand, JRH. Yes, Jharkhand. Now comment me where Dr. Rajendra Prasad was put at the time of Quit India movement. Yes, comment fast. In the year 1946, he was elected as the president of Bihar Pradesh Congress Committee. So in year 1946 he was elected as the president of Bihar Pradesh Congress Committee and died on 28 March 1947. 15 August 1947 is as Freedom Day. So before that he has gone. He has passed away. Now the next is Abdul Shakur. Abdul Shakur, resident of Magadhi village of Darbhanga district, present day Samastipur of Bihar. So Magadhi village is in Darbhanga district. Now it is in Samastipur. So here he was born. Who? Abdul Shakur. Remained active in Quit India movement and died on 15 August 1942. So on 15 August 1942 he has passed away. Next is Adya Prasad Sinha. Adya Prasad Sinha, a resident of Bihar village Bangama. So his village name was Bangama, post Belhar in Bhagalpur district of Bihar. During Quit India movement of 1942, he was killed by a police on November 25, 1942, in connection with the helping a person named Girwar Singh to escape from the Belhar police station. So Girwar Singh was put into police station of Belhar. So here the man, what was the name? Adya Prasad Sinha came to police station and just try to escape the man Girwar Singh from the prison. So on 25 November 1946 he was killed. Then it is Abdul Khan. Ahadu Khan. It is Ahadu Khan, resident of Bhagalpur, Bihar, arrested and was hanged during the revolt of 1857 on 10th October 1857. So on 10th October 1857 he was hanged. Then it is Ahmadullah Wahabi, a resident of Patna, was arrested in 1864 and exiled for life in Andaman and Nicobar for his involvement in movement. So he was involved in 1857 wars or revolution. So due to that reason he has been arrested and sent to Andaman and Nicobar. Death day is 21st November 1881. Then it is Akali Devi, a resident of Lasadihi village in Sahabat district of Bihar, died during the Quit India movement on 15 September 1942 during the police firing. Next man is Aklu Shah. The next man is Aklu Shah. He was a resident of Suratganj in Darbhanga district, modern Madhubani of Bihar. So Aklu Shah was the resident of Darbhanga district. Now it is in Madhubani, and the village name is Suratganj. Death in police firing during the siege of Madhubani police station during the Quit India movement of 1942. Then it is Amar Singh. Resident of Jagdishpur village in Sahabat district of Bihar. He was the brother of Bir Kumar Singh. Father name was Sahibzada Singh, and he belonged to his elder brother, fought during the revolt of 1857, and Bir Kumar Bir Kumar Singh was the brother of Amar Singh. Led the revolt after death of Kumar Singh. After the suppression of the rebellion, Amar Singh went to Nepal. So as he was unable to stop the Britishers, he just came out from Bihar and he went to Nepal. The British arrested him from Nepal, Tarai, and kept him in Gorakhpur jail. So important point is Gorakhpur jail, and he was arrested from Nepal, Tarai area. Death due to dysentery on 5 February 1860 in Gorakhpur hospital. So dysentery is a disease in which your loose motion has been continuous for several times. So you may face the what? Loose motion. It means you have no concentration of water into your body, so you have fell down, and it may be the death. Asarfi Mandal. The next man is Asarfi Mandal, resident of Kastikari. It is in Sultanganj, Bhagalpur in Bihar. Now it is in Madhubani. Yes. Was active during the civil disobedience movement in 1930. So comment me, who was the one who started civil disobedience movement and how many times it was started? Yes guys, comment fast. Gathered in front of the Tarapur police station with a crowd of about 400 for the purpose of celebrating Jhanda Satyagraha Day on 15 February 1932. So they were gathered in the groups at Tarapur police station, or it is more or less 4,000 people, and they just want to celebrate here Jhanda Satyagraha Day on 15 February 1932. So as you know, Bihar public sector has been asked so many date wise questions, so you may have remember all the date wise questions. Okay, it is 15 February 1932. How can you remember this? Pulwama attack. Yes, it is 14 February. Yes guys, 14 February, that is Love Day. Some people celebrate it as Love Day, that is Valentine's Day. Just after a day of the event, due to being badly injured in indiscriminate firing on the crowd by the police on 21st February 1932, he was dead in Munger Sadar Hospital. Then it is Asarfi Mandal. It is Asarfi Mandal. He hails from the Malkhanpur village in Bhagalpur district of Bihar. So Malkhanpur village. He resigned from the post of Subedar of British Indian Army in 1942 and joined Indian National Army. So it is very important that he has been resigned from the Subedar post of British Indian Army and he joined the Indian National Army. He was employed in the first Bahadur, that is brave, group of the Indian National Army on post of second lieutenant. Now it is Babu Mehto. The next one is Babu Mehto. He was a resident of Munger district of Bihar. During the Quit India movement of 1942, he participated in a raid of Sonbarsa police station outpost by joining a militant group called Siaram, where he died on 28 August 1942 in police firing. Yes, remember it. Now, where is Sonbarsa? It is in Sitamarhi district. Okay, guys. Here Siaram You may also memorize this by Sitamari, that is Sitaram. Yes guys, Sita Ram, Sita ke Ram. Then it is Bisundev Rai. Bisundev Rai. He was resident of Khartari village of East Champaran. East Champaran, there is a village, Khartari village, where he was born. Actively involved in the civil disobedience movement in 1930. On January 26, 1932, he died in police firing on hosting the Congress flag with the furious crowd at the Bajaria Pandal, a prominent Congress ashram in Motihari. So in Motihari there is a prominent Congress ashram named Bajaria Pandal. So here they just want to flag the National Congress flag. So on 26 January 1932 he was dead. Then it is Devi Ojha. It is Devi Ojha. On the next page, he was a resident of Shahabad district of Bihar during the revolt of 1857 as an ally of Kuwan Singh. He led the second division of the rebels. So, second division of Kuwan Singh army was led by the Alka Devi Ojha. Yes. He was made the watchman of 400 villages in the government established by Shahabad by Kuwan Singh. Yes guys, it is very tough to speak continuously. After the suppression of the revolt of 1857, he fled to Nepal where he died. So as he was unable to stop once again the Britishers, then he fled out to Nepal where he died. Then it is Ganga Prasad Rai. He was a resident of Badhulia village of Siwan district in Bihar. He was injured. As we know, Siwan district is also famous for Dr. Rajendra Prasad because in Jiradeh he was born on 3rd December 1884. Yes guys, he was injured and died in hospital on 2nd December 1930 during the police firing on a furious move in the process of the collecting Chowkidari tax in the Badaulia village. So Badhulia was the village where he was born, while in Badaulia village he was collecting the taxes. Then it is Bhikhari Mehato. He belonged to the West Champaran district of Bihar. Yes, West Champaran. On 22nd August 1942, during the Quit India movement, he died in police firing while hosting the Congress flag on a government building. Then it is Bikkan Shah Mehta. He was a resident of Patna, arrested for participating in the Salt Satyagraha with the Gandhiji and kept in Patna camp jail. So, what is it? Notice here. In Salt Satyagraha with Gandhiji. Yes guys. Bikkan Shah Mehta. It may ask, who was the man from Bihar, one who participated into Salt Satyagraha with Gandhiji. So it is Bikkan Shah Mehta. Baikunt Shukla. It is Baikunt Shukla. He was a resident of Jalalpur village in Muzaffarpur district of Bihar. His father name was Ram Bihari Shukla. So he was a resident of Jalalpur village, which is in Muzaffarpur. Now it is in Jalalpur. I think it is in Chapra. Yes, guys. Jalalpur village in Muzaffarpur district of Bihar. His father name was Ram Bihari Shukla. He went to jail not went to, he sent to jail because it is not our desire that we want to go jail. He sent to jail in 1930 for participating in Salt Satyagraha. He was also sent to jail for participating into Salt Satyagraha. During the 1930 to 1934, he collaborated with the revolutionary parties of Bihar. Yes, guys. At that time, who was the man? Yes, revolutionary parties. JP and JP Narayan. Yes, JP Narayan. He, along with Chandrama Singh, murdered the government witnesses of second Lahore conspiracy case, and that is Farindranath Ghosh on 9 November 1932 in Betia. So it is the name of Farindranath Ghosh with Chandrama Singh. They murdered the man who was the witnesses of Lahore conspiracy case on 9 November 1932 in Betia. They arrested, they were arrested and prosecuted under the Betia murder and explosive substance law. He was finally hanged on 14 May 1934. And it is Bande Ali. The next one is Bande Ali. Bande Ali was a peon by profession. He was working in a court in Ara district. So he was peon in the Ara district court. During the rebellion of 1857, he fought against the Betia British under the leadership of Kunwar Singh. He was eventually hanged. So eventually he was hanged because he was under the Kunwar Singh. That's why he was hanged. Now it is Bachchan Barihar alias Sivanandan Patra. It is very long name, so don't mind. The long name is, you come to know that the lengthy name is just considered, not memorizing the whole name. He was a resident of village Rampur, Dudhpura of Darbhanga district, present day Samastipur. He died on 12 August 1942 in the police firing due to a stone pelting done by the freight train in Samastipur. So they were just involved in a stone pelting. So they will be hanged. It is Badri Mandal. He was a resident of Dhanpura village in Munger district of Bihar. A crowd of 4,000 gathered in Tarapur police station to celebrate Jhanda Satyagraha Day on February 15, 1932. So a same person has been hanged, comment the name. Even I have forget the name because the history is very tough. Yet you didn't memorizing the names. Yes. He died in the indiscriminate firing by the police on this mob. Now the next man is Haji Mubarak Ali. So Haji Mubarak Ali was the resident of Muzaffarpur, present Vaishali of Bihar. He was one of the prominent leader of Wahhabi movement. He was arrested in 1871 and sent to jail. Then Harikant Jha. He was a resident of Saharsa district of Bihar. On 29 August 1942, he died in a police firing during the robbery of Supor Treasury in Saharsa. So Supor Treasury in Saharsa has been decayed by the Harikant Jha and so many people. As we know, on 9 August 1925, there was a dacoity which was named as Kakori Kand. Yes, Kakori Kand. Hira Sahani. He was a resident of He was a resident of Adepura village in Munger district of Bihar. He actively participated in Quit India movement of 1942. Martyred in the firing by the police while making a demand for Swaraj government at Malpur near Mokama. Malpur near Mokama. Then it is Fulena Prasad. Fulena Prasad, that is Gopinath Srivastava also called. He was a resident of Pachalki village of present Siwan district, then Saran. At that time it was in Saran. Father's name Vindhyachal Prasad, an active involvement in Quit India movement. On 16 August 1942, he died in indiscriminate firing by the police on hosting the tricolor flag at Maharajganj police station. A memorial has been constructed at the site of incident of the name of Gopinath Srivastava. Okay guys, so today we will complete it half an hour. So the video has been stopped here.